Good evening, students. We are once again back with the lecture for class 10th. I am Ahind Kumar, faculty of Mount Literacy School, PGT Accounts and Economics, Accounts and English. Sorry. Okay, so here we are once again with chapter 2 of your book, first slide, and I'm going to explain you today chapter number 2 of class 10, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Now, this is a book, this is an autobiography written by Nelson Mandela, and we have extracted some part of it and to make your chapter. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study about how Nelson Mandela overcome the oppressors and how he got freedom for South Africa. Okay, so this chapter provides a glimpse for early life of Nelson Mandela, his education, and 30 years of prison. Mind its children, he was there in prison for 30 years because he has joined African National Congress, and he was just fighting for freedom of South Africa, because there was a vast difference. The people over there, Britain has made South Africa its colony, and they were treating all the blacks as the slaves, and they have taken away the freedom, and they were keeping them as slaves. Okay, so he fought for it. Okay, this chapter recounts his fight for freedom for his own people who were tortured by the whites. So white people have tortured them. Now 10th May was a day of freedom for South Africa, and this total chapter is based on the speech which Nelson Mandela gave on 10th May in one of the auditorium over there. ठीक है, amphitheater, it was amphitheater. Amphitheater is actually an open building. ठीक है, Mandela gave speech on victory for justice, peace and human dignity. Once again I will be repeating, Mandela gave speech for justice, peace and human dignity. Singing of two national anthem was done over there, one for the blacks and another one for whites. Mandela said that his own country is rich because of its people. Mandela said the country is not rich. Any nation is not rich because of its resources. It is rich because of its people. People make the country. Resources does not make the country. Okay, so here he said in his address, he said this thing. Mandela joined the African National Congress. He said that patience and perseverance, guided by discipline. Now patience. If you have to reach a desired results, you need to keep patience. एक दिन में आप बहुत बड़ा वो नहीं कर देंगे, ठीक है? Slowly and gradually, that is a process, and step by step you reach your goal. Okay, so guided by discipline, you have to be very much disciplined if you want to acquire victory. And system yielded desired result. This chapter is very important. Though this chapter is just an autobiography of Nelson Mandela, but this gives you the message that how he patiently and perseverantly he behaved, and he patiently bared, and what all the indignities were done by the Britishers to him, by the whites on the blacks, and then also he just kept focused, and he achieved his victory. These are the main characters of the chapter. Nelson Mandela, the main character, President of South Africa, first president. Zenani, daughter of Mandela, who was with him on the inauguration ceremony. Thabo Mbeki, the first deputy president of South Africa, who was close to Nelson Mandela. And Mr. De Klerk, second deputy president of South Africa. Mandela in this chapter has explained that how the racial discrimination, the discrimination on the basis of color creates an everlasting or deep lasting wounds on the society and on the people of that nation. And he also explained that how he has overcome these things, and how he has also explained that what all the things people of that nation faced, and all the indignities done to them by the whites. Okay, so this is all explained in this chapter, and you just have to keep and one more incident is explained, that there was one police officer, there was one officer who was there and who himself Mandela has told us in his speech that he was the one who has arrested him, and now on this day he was the one who was saluting him. So here you can see, children, that you just have to wait for the appropriate time to come, and you just have to be disciplined and be focused, and definitely you will be achieving the victory one day. Okay, so you can prepare the question answers from NCERT folder from internet, and complete the question answers in the notebook. And I will be giving you 2 letters also today. I will be writing the letters on the board, so you can copy the questions from there, and please do the letters in your grammar notebook. Okay children, thank you, and be safe and sound. Children, you have to do this letter. Write a letter in about 100 to 150 words to the editor of a national daily, drawing the attention of the concerned authorities to the deteriorating law and order situation in your town and city. This you have to do in your grammar notebooks. Okay.